Touch your purpose, your path, and always do the math.
I can go off if I want to, I can show off if I want to. I don't have to want you to love every part of myself. Got my confidence with no help. Don't need no one else to see that I'm the baddest in this beat. Yes, mind, body, soul is on fleek. Yes, equal beauty in the way I look and think. Yes, I'm the light, now watch me shine bright. Celebrating elements that keep my mind right, that's right. I'm my own hero, calling me a dime, but what's a dime to zero? I'm a bull cipher, but no, you can't wipe her, cause these days a fuckboy is hard to decipher. Self-love is all I need to find my inner peace. I'll see the pain decrease when I focus on me, me.
I can arch my back, do a back bend, and you can pay me back on the back end.
Cause you know a queen stacking, and I get it from my mama, no past tense. Follow sequence and channel life down low. And if they have us fucked up, we some pharaohs.
My mama taught me, believe that I'm the baddest in this beat. Yes, mind, body, soul is on fleek. Yes, equal beauty in the way I look and think. Yes, I'm the light that shines in the night. Celebrate the elements that keep my vines tight, that's right. I'm my own hero, I got the vision, read you like a tarot. I'm a high beacon to heed to my teachings, cause these days they silence our power.